Composition of functions. Function f from a to b. A is domain and b is its range. Another function is g. The range of f is the domain for g and it goes from b to c. B2 functions. Then the compositions of f and g denoted by gof is defined as the function gof from a to c given by gof means g is applied, function g is applied on f function for all x belongs to domain of f. So with the help of the Venn diagram, we will see this one. Function f is applied, x becomes fx, and now range of f is the domain for this g. So fx is now gfx. Means we are going according to function f a to b, and after that according to function g we are going from b to c. If you want to go direct from a to c, so you have to calculate, you must have gof function. So means with the help of the two functions we are forming a new function. So gof is the composition of these two functions, and in the same way we can form fog, fof, gof. So these all are the compositions of two functions. So now we will make clear with the example. Fx equal to 2x plus 1 and gx equal to x square. So according to f, image of 2 is 2 to the 4 plus 1 5. Image of 2 is 5 according to f. And now this 5 is the domain for this g, and now we apply function g for this 5. The function g is x square. So 5 square will be 25. And if we go directly from this a to c, if you go direct from a to c, then gof function is required. So first of all we calculate this gof function. So gof means g applied on fx, g applied on fx. So now put the value of fx here. The value of fx is 2x plus 1. We put value of fx 2x plus 1. Now this is g 2x plus 1. We apply function g on this one. What the function g is? Function g is x square, means it square its input. So in the same way, now input is 2x plus 1, we take its square. The 2x plus 1 is square, it is 4x square plus 4x plus 1. So now we put 2 in place of x. We put 2. So after putting 2, we calculate it 16 plus 8 plus 1 25. So directly you got 25. Or in break also from a to b then b to c, finally you got 25. So means you go from with the help of this break, or you may go directly. The answer will be same. So one more example. Fx is x plus 3 and gx is x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Fog. Fog means f is applied on gx. F is applied on gx. First of all put value of gx here. Gx is x minus 1 upon x plus 1. Now we will apply function f. The f function, the working of f is it increase 3 in its input. The same way, now input is x minus 1 upon x plus 3, we increase 3 in this one, x3, take its LCM, and after solving we have 4x plus 2 upon x plus 1. In same way we can calculate GOF. GOF means g is applied on fx. So now put the value of fx here. Fx is x plus 3 and now apply g function on this one. The functioning of g is, first of all, it subtract 1 from input, and in denominator it add 1 in its input. So similarly, first of all we subtract 1 from its input, and then in denominator we add 1 in its denominator. So after calculation we have GOF is x plus 2 upon x plus 4. Now FOF means f is applied on f. So f is applied on fx. Put the value of fx here, x plus 3. Again apply the functioning of f. So what is the functioning of f? It increase value 3 of its input. So now in x plus 3 we add 3. So it comes x plus 6. In the same way we can calculate GOF also.